Right guys, today I am going to show you focus points on this Canon 90D. So I'm going to put this in manual mode. So put this in manual mode. Okay, so that's in manual mode. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to my Q button, and here you can hover through with this joystick all the different settings that are available to you, and I am going to select this icon over here. Press select, and then here is your focus points. So you can literally hover through it, or you can do like this with the wheel at the top, or you can use this joystick to navigate through your focus points. You can also do it touchscreen, so you can click on it like this, select one point, spot autofocus, which is useful for portraiture. You've also got your one point autofocus again, which is a little bit more detail. It pinpoints some more crisper points. So maybe, for example, if you're doing portraits and you use this for the eye, it will give you a better definition. So you've got that one. I've gone out again, so let's go back to menu. So let's go back, let's go menu again. There we go. And then back to this one here. You've got zone selection, so you can sort of select zones like this of focus points. If you want a larger area in focus, you can select this one. And then the next one is your larger zone, so similar sort of thing but just a larger area. So maybe, for example, you want to focus into a larger area, you can select these different elements. And then you've got autofocus, so if you want to just let the camera do its play, then you put it into this and it will autofocus all the different it will autofocus what it sees, and sort of trigger particular focus points. Use this in moderation, because obviously you want to control your various focus points. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you for the next episode.